What's up guys, Karan Singh here, back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox the iPhone 12 Pro. This is an overseas unit. This is iPhone 12 Pro Silver 256 GB. So let's unbox this up. You can see the box. It has a blue kind of a wallpaper, has a black case, iPhone on the sides, Apple logo here, iPhone here, and another Apple logo here. So here we have this tab. So let's unwrap this up. Oh wow. Let's put the phone aside. Since we only get a lightning cable, so we have to buy the adapter, and we only get the lightning cable, and so we get the SIM injection tool, one Apple sticker, and these are just manuals. That's it. That's for the box, lightning cable. So let's check the phone. Got a lightning port sign here, power, volume up and down, and switch mute. You can see this is the white color, stainless steel frame. That looks really pretty. Let's turn it on. So it has a 6.1 OLED display, and hello. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro. And thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys. Keep watching.